and welcome back. And we're back at Puerto Lajas. Yeah, wherever it is. Don't know. Pete's here. But we're here before the high tide this time, so we're going to give it a good session. It's not as rough as yesterday, which is not in our favour, but there's less wind, so it's nicer. Just going to set up a rig. I'm going to go with circle hooks on a flapper rig today because it's a bit snaggy and they've got less chance of them being snagged. So I'm going to change over some hooks quickly, get set up, get some baits out. Let's see if we can get into some decent bream. Right, so I've got my rig that I've been using at night, which has actually got quite big hooks on it. So I'm just untangling it because I do just chuck it in at night. There it goes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these hook snoods off, tie new ones, and I'm going to tie some, let me see if I can find the packet. There we are. I'm going to tie some size 1 circle hooks, mustard demon circles, and I'm going to use prawn on them. This should hopefully reduce my chance of getting snagged on rocks. So let's get these changed over. Right, so here's the hook snoods I'm going to put on. I'm going to tie these on now with this Cinetic Mimetic 9.6 kilo 0.31. Needs to be above 0.3 for any toothy critters, small toothy critters. So I'm going with this. Just stop me getting bitten off. I'm going to tie these on now and get the hooks on. There we are, circle hooks on the rig. These are better for the fish and better for me in reducing my chances of getting snagged up. So hopefully, all in all, a win-win. Go on, take it. Take it. It is very windy. Got it. Get it. Yes. We've got it. Ah, come on, out the snag. Right, first fish I think is on. Not big. Oh no, he's come off there. Or is he? No, he went a bit limp for a little bit. He's not a big fish. I'm going to guess a Pandora. What have we got here? Totally wrong. An ornate wrasse. An ornate, I'll show you in a minute. I would say, as this wrasse has taken the bait, there we go, an ornate wrasse. Ornate wrasse. There we go. Ornate wrasse on this. Pete's bringing his rod in. Have you got anything, Pete? Right, let's get him back. Go on in you go. First fish and on wet. Have a look at this. Hey, jump inside a bream. Right, Peter's just had his first fish. dwarfed by his monster hands. A tiny little saddle bream. Well done, mate. Lovely. Right, let's get the jumping fish back, and I can get some bait out. And let's get this out. That's a good bream, I think. Yeah? That's a good bite, mate. What have you got? Oh, I can see it kiting around. Oh, white bream. You got a white bream, a decent. Oh, yeah. Oh, a nice white bream. Oh, that's a big white bream, mate. That's nice. 700 gram, that is. Now, Peter has got beastie hands. They're massive. Well done, Pete, in the lip. Give it a bit of pressure. Come on, mate. There we go. Show it up to the cameras. Look at that. Probably not. No, it's probably about 500 grams. That is a nice fish. Well done, mate. Right. Right, mate. Well done. Alright, juggler, fish juggler. Oh, he's cut himself. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Right, Pete's going to just release the fish. Or you just drop him. Either works. Don't think the fish was too happy about that. Is it gone? No, it's not gone. Come on, Pete, get wet. My rod's going, my rod's going. My rod's going, let's get this down, my rod's going. Slack line. Oh dear. Here we go. My rod's going. I've got slack line. I'm snagged on this, I think. Oh, I've got it up. Oh, this feels good. This is a double header. Oh, come on. Wow, this is a good fish. This is a good fish. A very good fish here. A very good fish here. Pete, this is a very, very good fish, mate. Oh, this is a big fish. No! 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 Ah! I swear that was a big fish. Ah! That's a big fish. That was my 4 kilo. Gilted. That was a big fish. Oh. Big fish just got off. Big fish. On a scratching rig, that was a big fish. I am so annoyed I could cry. Right. Let's get this out. Oh no, I've gone that way again. I don't want to go that way. Let's hope it's alright. Man. Right. I've just lost what could have been a fish of a lifetime. So I'm going to switch my rig back to these bigger hooks. I think the circle hooks are a little bit too small. putting bigger hooks on, but I'm probably a bit too late. I'm closing the stable door once the horse has bolted. I cannot tell you, I am close to crying over that fish loss, because that was a very big fish. Got a fish? Right, let's get this out. Come round. That'll do. You alright? Got it? Got it? Come on, what's going on? Pete's just caught this. Your second one of the trip. A painted coma. Well done, mate. Right, we've just got soaking. Let's get this out again. Right, and here we are. As you can see, more GoPro issues with the external mic. The GoPro 6 just didn't work with the external mic very well, so I'm going to upgrade that. But the session did just fizzle out after the big fish that I lost. We didn't get much more after that, and the wind that day got really strong. That night became nearly impossible to fish. So this was the last session of the holiday. So until next time, to you all, tight lines.